In this video, we will be talking about top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges in India. The financial world has a new Doge father, Elon Musk, who is at the forefront of promoting digital currencies. It comes as no surprise that Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, remains the best performing asset class of the last decade, delivering mind-boggling returns of more than whooping 9 crore percentage between the period of 2010 to 2020. It means if you had invested 1000 rupees in Bitcoin in 2010, it would be around rupees 90 crore by the end of 2020. That's too much, right? By enabling payments securely between two parties without any government interference, cryptocurrencies have a long way to go. As tech giants like Microsoft, Wikipedia, BMW are adopting to this concept, crypto trading is becoming popular worldwide. Here is the list of top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges that can be used to buy cryptos in India. Let's dive into it. At number 5, we have BuyUCoin. It is the brainchild of Atulya Bhatt, Shivam Thakral and Devesh Agarwal that came into existence in June 2016. The platform quickly became an industry leader in the field of domestic crypto exchange market and soon gained a huge community of investors and crypto enthusiasts. This platform was one of the first crypto exchanges that introduced the peer-to-peer transaction model and provided its user with multiple cryptocurrencies to choose from and trade with. The platform is specifically created to ensure ease of use for both experienced investors and newbies to the concept of crypto trading. BuyUCoin charges 0% fee for their OTC desk, while the transaction fees vary accordingly to the cryptocurrency that is being traded. Another notable feature of the platform is that it does not charge any money for INR withdrawal from the user's wallet. Since its inception, the platform has conducted USD 50 million worth of trade and supports more than 30 cryptocurrencies, with more on the way to being inducted into the platform. BuyUCoin keeps in line with the best security protocols and employs two-factor authentication, requiring its user to verify their actual user before logging in to provide an extra layer of security. On its website, BuyUCoin also states that it employs firewalls and data encryption as an added extra layer of protection. On number 4, we have CoinDCX, launched in 2018, and since then it became a popular crypto exchange in India. CoinDCX is considered one of the biggest players in the terms of user safety when it comes to domestic cryptocurrency exchange market. It provides a user-friendly experience and supports more than 200 cryptocurrencies. It supports spot trading, futures trading, margin trading and crypto lending. CoinDCX offers one of the lowest trading fees in the market, which can be as low as 0.1%. Also, there are no fees for withdrawing money into your bank account. It also supports popular payment options like UPI and IMPS for depositing money in your wallet. CoinDCX takes the security of digital assets and any private information stored within the platform very seriously, as the platform is built with industry-leading security protocols which are regularly tested to check any violations. The team is constantly auditing and building upon the existing protocols to ensure high-end security. CoinDCX uses geographically distributed cold wallets, DDoS protection, regular stress testing, and two-factor authentication to ensure world-class security. With a growing global user base, CoinDCX is growing its technology and security team by bringing more elite minds to the research panel, which guarantees the protection from malicious attacks with innovative solutions. Next up on number 3 is CoinSwitch Kuber. It was launched in 2017 and since then it has managed to attract a huge user base thanks to its stable and user-friendly interface. CoinSwitch supports more than 300 cryptocurrencies and over 45,000 pairs from leading exchanges like Binance, OKEX, HitBTC, IDEX. It supports popular payment options like UPI and internet banking. Plus, you can also use your digital wallets like Paytm and PhonePe for depositing money. Later in June 2020, the company introduced its India-exclusive crypto platform CoinSwitch Kuber to simplify crypto investment for Indian retail investors. The platform charges a transaction fee of 0.49% and the rates vary with the exchange medium that is selected for the transaction. On number 2 we have BitBNS. BitBNS is a brainchild of a group of IIT alumni who happen to be crypto enthusiasts. The platform was created in December 2017, which also hosts a peer-to-peer transaction capabilities and also allows users to lend or borrow their assets to increase their chance of gaining additional profit. Over the time, the platform introduced stop limit orders so that users can minimize their losses while trading on the platform. And it has integrated itself with TradingView charts, which makes it easier to analyze the market with hundreds of indicators and editing options. There is a unique feature of systematic investment in BitBNS where you can generate a fixed interest rate of up to 12% by investing your cryptos, mainly Bitcoin and Ethereum, depending on the market within 30 days, which can be a very profitable way to earn some coins other than trading, which is not present at any other exchanges. And the range of the fee usually ranges from 0.03% to 0.25%. BitBNS prides itself by implementing the latest security features to prevent theft of user information and funds. Most of their invested funds are stored securely on offline cold storage wallets to prevent online hacking and viruses. Encryption technology is also used to secure their servers. BitBNS also employs Google two-factor authentication on their user accounts. All these features have resulted in BitBNS having no reported hacks or loss of funds on their exchange. I also use BitBNS for trading cryptos on regular basis. If you want to trade with BitBNS, you can use the link in the description where you will get 100 rupees worth bitcoins. Now in the number 1 spot, you might have guessed it already, it is WazirX. It is the most used cryptocurrency exchange and prides itself on speedy transaction when a user wants to buy a crypto coin on their platform. It has the advantage of being the only crypto exchange that survived after the ban of RBI when other exchanges like ZepPay closed their services in India. WazirX provides advanced trading tools on their website for the more experienced crypto trader, which features charting tools from tradingview.com. Using these tools, investors can analyze market trends, price action, and check on historical data strategically. WazirX has integrated its P2P transaction engine with the fiat gateway platform of international exchange Binance. This allows the traders to buy or sell any crypto listed under Binance using USDT from the WazirX platform. Also, you can move funds between WazirX and Binance wallet instantly for free. Fees depend on the 3 different markets that WazirX provides, which are namely the spot market, P2P market, and STF trading. For the spot market trading, the trading fees is 0.2% for both the maker and taker no matter what cryptocurrency pair is being traded. For P2P market transaction, buy and sell fees are 0% with a minimum sell order value to be 14.5 USDT and maximum buy order set at 2000 USDT. For STF Smart Token Fund market transaction, WazirX provides STF transaction facility for the new crypto traders, which they collect a 25% fee. Being a centralized crypto exchange in India, WazirX offers regular security audits to ensure highly secured platform and does enable Google two-factor authentication for the account to increase security. WazirX also employs top-of-the-line identity verification, which includes KYC and AML practices to prevent theft and fraud across their platform. Till date, more than 8 million people in India have used cryptocurrency, and the numbers are likely to grow exponentially in the coming years as a result of upcoming economic reforms. The fact that India is a great market for cryptocurrency and the government of India seems to be ready to formulate a system for regulating cryptocurrency as a part of Indian economy. And if you want us to grow exponentially like the cryptos, like this video and do subscribe to this channel for more stuff like this. Until then, take care. NeoCrypt signing off.